Hi guys, I'm gonna share to you my signature dish, apple and blueberry crumble. So for the apple, wash and peel them first. Let your husband or boyfriend do it for you. So you need green apples, blueberry, butter, rolled oats, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, self-raising flour, and 2 tablespoons of water. Chop them green apples and mix it with the cinnamon. Soften the green apple on the hob with vanilla, sugar, and water. Once soft, place them on the baking dish or baking tray. And add the blueberries. Just spread them all over the dish. For the crumble, mix all the dry ingredients. Just make sure the butter is cold and make a crumble. And then spread it all over the dish. On top of it, make sure everything's covered. And then add on the oats on top of the crumble. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters. And yes, the apple and blueberry crumble is done. Serve it with ice cream, custard, or cream. Enjoy!